Hello, welcome again to Artificial Intelligence Hub. Today I'm gonna show you how to generate a beep sound in Python. When we are making projects like something we need to generate an alarm like face mask detection or someone is violating the rules and regulations, we need a beep generation. So I'm gonna show you how we can generate a beep sound using a Python, a library win sound. Import. Let me import win sound. So check it, is it installed or not. It says I have to. Yeah, it's already installed in my computer. You have to install it. Pip install win sound. Frequency. I'm just writing frequency up to 500 and duration. We can make it. 1000 and win. I'm just calling a function win sound dot b and passing these two values as an argument. uh, Frequency, let me check the make correct the spelling. Frequency and the here I'm passing frequency and the second one duration. So here is duration. I have just passed this one to win sound. So let me correct this spelling. So here, yeah, here is the correct spelling win sound, and after that, just make a function here f s and apply three loops nested with a nested loop for I in range. Make spelling correct. Range first loop will be starting from 0 to 3, and win win sound, and the beep is should be 2200. I'm just calling 2002, and the duration is 100 a little bit. And after that, again for I in range, this time the range will be again 0. You make it again. I'm just write this one, copy this one, and gonna paste it here. And this time duration will be, I'm just putting it, value is 400. And the third time I'm gonna again for I in range write 0 to 3, and again I'm just copying this one and paste it here. Let me check, is it working? Yeah, this is working, the code is working. I'm just calling this function now, sos function, and check it, is it working or not. Module is not callable, so let me check what is wrong here. So this one is, let me so sorry for that, I'm just missing some thing here. So I have to put the beep. I'm not calling this function, that's why I got that error. Just copy and paste it again, just dot and do. So now we can run it again and see, is it working or not. Yes, it's working. So yes, it's working. I have to remove my mic to check it, is it working or not. So I'm gonna run it and remove my mic. Yes, the code is working. So this is the code for generating a beep using a Win sound library in Python. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and please like and subscribe my channel. I will add some more stuff related to AI, deep learning, computer vision, and Python, and amazing tutorial for today. Thank you so much.